What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. In today's video, we're talking about how the Uber's head of rides just left the company. And also other Uber executives are leaving the company as well. This comes at a time when Uber's stock price is plummeting. I believe it's down to $23 from its IPO price of 45. Uber stock price is currently sitting at 23 bucks, very low. A lot of drivers are striking across the world. A lot of drivers are upset. Even drivers are quitting left and right. And Uber head of rides just left the company. So what does this mean? We're gonna do a deep dive exposing the insides of Uber. Okay, now before I get started, I wanna tell you all about Buckle Car Insurance. They are a car insurance that only gives car insurance to gig workers. So they're giving special deals, special insurance policies to drivers. You can only sign up if you're a gig worker. And if you sign up and get a free quote, they're gonna send you $20 Visa gift card. So check that out down below and let's get started. The head of Uber's US and Canada rides division is leaving the company. His name is Dennis Sinelli. And he's Uber's head of rides in the United States and Canada. He's departing for a role at a startup company. He's leaving Uber to go work at a startup. Another exec leading the company's grocery business announced his departure last month. Uber stock is down 42% since the beginning of the year. I will tell you right now, I would rather put my money into a scam like Bitcoin than put my money into Uber. I do have some Bitcoin, but hasn't been doing too well lately. And I actually pulled out of Bitcoin quite a bit. The head of Uber's ride business in US Canada, Dennis Sinelli, is stepping down, according to people familiar with the matter. He is the latest among a handful of top-level execs that have left Uber in the past 6 months as the company, along with the entire gig economy sector, has struggled on the public markets. Sinelli has been with the company since 2016 and held key positions within Uber's finance team. He was instrumental in taking Uber public in 2019 as its global head of strategic finance and later ran its scooter and micromobility division Jump. He briefly left the company for a stint at Bird, but returned a few months later. This guy's in and out of the company. He obviously knows something bad about Uber, and Uber's CEO, Dara Khosrowshahi, is probably like, come on, we need you, we need you. And now he's finally gone for good. Some insiders have tapped Sinelli as next in line to be Uber's CFO. Guys, if you're building your ranks up to CFO, you're gonna wanna stay at the company unless something is seriously wrong with the company, right? And with everything going on with Uber, all the backlash, all the drivers protesting, striking nationwide, I got a big, strong feeling that this guy knows that this company is probably gonna go underwater soon, probably gonna go bankrupt. And he's leaving for a startup company that actually has big, upside potential, which is Scale AI. So I thought this was super interesting. I want to make this quick video. Let me know your thoughts on all this: protests, drivers quitting, execs quitting. Is this the end of Uber? Let me know your thoughts down below. Take care. Have a great day. Bye now.